Hey guys, here's your quiz for today for 4-7, 4-8, and 4-9. First question, we're just doing the ones that I circled. You want to list all pairs of angles and sides. Okay, so remember, use these letters. Whatever order the letters are in, for example, I'll give you the first one. If you're going to list the angles, I would say angle R and angle X. And the reason I'm saying that is because they're both the first letter in the statement. Okay, so, and then when you list the sides, again, you're wanting sides that correspond with each other. So there should be 3 sets of angles, 3 sets of sides for number 1. Down below, we're going to do 3, 5, and 7. They want us to tell whether we can prove that these are congruent, okay, the statement they give us, and what postural theorem would tell us so. So remember, our choices are kind of, so you got side, 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 you got side, angle, side, angle, side, angle, 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 side, and hypotenuse leg. Hypotenuse leg, remember, is the one that's going to deal with 90-degree angles or right triangles. Okay, so you just simply need to look at the information that's given. And for example, this one has 90-degree angles. All right, but look at the information in these and determine which of these, if any, can you use. If you can't use any of them, just say not enough information. And remember how I think I've showed some of you, I like to label like this is an angle, that's an angle, that's a side, you know, and kind of finish it off. And that'll help direct you into which of these it might be. That's for 3, 5, and 7. Moving down here to number 10, wants to know if there's enough information to prove that the statement's true. Is it true that RU is congruent to TU? All right, look at the information they give us. You got a tick mark, you got some angles. Is this enough? Do we know enough about the 2 triangles to say that this side's equal to that side? On this page, we are, the first part here, 5 and 7, we want to find the unknown measurement. So remember, there's 180 degrees in a triangle. Every triangle has 180 degrees. In number 5, these are 3 equal angles. So you got to split them up or divide them up. How many degrees are in each? Oh, I'm sorry. Correction. We want to know how long this side is. That's all. Okay. If these angles are the same, then the opposite sides are the same. How long is this side? In number 7. All right. Moving on down to 9 and 13. You have a tick mark here showing you that these 2 sides are equal, which also means the angles are equal. So how can we find the value of x? You need to set up the equation. Okay. So basically, if one side is 2x minus 3, then the other side is going to be 2x minus 3, and set those 2 equal to each other and solve for x. As is the same for number 13, I would set these 2 equal to one another. Why? The reason is because these 2 sides are equal, which means the angles opposite of them are also equal. So you set up your equation, get letters on one side, numbers on the other, and solve for x. Okay, on this last page, we're just going to do 1, 3, and 4. I gave you a little bit of a word bank over here on the right. Reflection, rotation, or translation. You need to tell us what is happening with the shape from the solid to the dashed one. Okay, which of these applies to those changes in the shapes? Remember, you're going from the solid to the dashed. And that's the end of your quiz. Have a great day.